through towards Shabani. Now Shabani's gone down and the referee's waving away the protest. Taylor Perry to card. Oh, goodness me! What a stunning finish from Taylor Perry that may well just have won the game.
Dionku for BRUNO.
There you go.
And Jordao on the edge of the box gets shot away and it's into the back of the net.
Let's get a head check, pretend the things we do.
Molineux does the same, cutting inside, advancing towards the edge of the penalty area, gets the ball away to Jordao. Jordao looks forward, has Oscar Burr in the penalty area. Shot comes in low and it's a goal for Wolves. A fantastic finish from Shabani.
Great football. All from Catalano on left hand side. Oh, Elliot Watt's done brilliantly here. Elliot Watt driving on. This is Jordao. Flag stays down and Bruno Jordao levels up the scores. And you have to say, it is just what Wolves deserve. Now Elliot Watt again. Trying to deliver one in. What a ball! What a shot! Oh my word, what a goal! That is sensational football, expertly put away by Taylor Perry, and Wolves have got themselves the late equaliser.
My head's a nightlight, washing the days away. I'm fading away. I cannot explain it. I cannot explain.
Trying to knock one over the top. Ashley Seal trying to make the most of it. Excellent turn. Here's Benny Ashley Seal, and he makes no mistake. Wolves back on level terms.
I'm not tired no more.
Campbell, this might come through to Benny Ashley Seal. Oh, what a finish! Benny Ashley Seal gives Wolves one of those goals back that they need. Away from that near post. Wolves trying to tee it up. Terry Taylor to strike it. Oh, goodness me! What a strike!
What a goal that is. Unbelievable strike. We said he hadn't been involved in the game too much, and what a way to get involved.
Francis to try and strike it. It's a brilliant hit. Oh, goodness me. It's a second stunner for Wolves tonight. This time from the dead ball situation. Flying into that far corner.